Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Welcome to my channel Stotramala, daily chanting shlokas. In this video, I am going to give you a brief introduction of Goddess Lakshmi and her short, sweet and powerful shlokas. Chant these shlokas every day. Mata Lakshmi will bless you. She is the goddess of wealth and prosperity, both material and spiritual. Lakshmi. Lakshmi is a daughter of Samudra Raja and the wife of Lord Vishnu. Mata Lakshmi came out from the Ksheerasagara during the Samudra Manthana, that is, churning of Ksheerasagara. Just like we churn the curd to get butter, Devas and Danavas churn the Ksheerasagara to get Amrit. Amrit is a special divine drink which gives Chiranjivitva or immortality. Whoever drinks this Amrit will become immortal or Chiranjeevi. During Samudra Manthana, many special things came out. For example, Kamadhenu, Kalparuksha, Airavata, etc. The eighth thing came out from the Ksheerasagara was Goddess Lakshmi. So number 8 is always associated with Goddess Lakshmi. She is also known as Shri. Shri means Sampat or wealth. She is the goddess of wealth, prosperity, beauty and abundance. And she is the one among the three Devis. Three Devis are Saraswati, Brahma's wife, Parvati, Shiva's wife, and Lakshmi, Vishnu's wife. Mata Lakshmi helps Lord Vishnu in his work of maintaining the universe. So here are some shlokas of Mata Lakshmi. First shloka. Lakshmim Kshira Samudra Rajatanaya Shriranga Dhameshwari Dasi Bhuta Samasta Deva Vanitam Lokaika Deepankuram श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभव ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम्. Second one. स्वर्णाम्बालोकजननीं पद्मद्वयवराभयां क्षीरसागरसम्भूतां विष्णुवक्षस्थलस्थितां चतुर्भुजां मन्मथां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदायिनीं अष्टरूपधरां देवीं लक्ष्मीं भक्त्यां भजाम्यहम्. Third one. महालक्ष्मी नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्तुभ्यं सुरेश्वरी हरिप्रिये नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्तुभ्यं दयानिधे. Fourth one. सिद्धलक्ष्मीर्मोक्षलक्ष्मीर्जयलक्ष्मी सरस्वती श्रीलक्ष्मीर्वरलक्ष्मीश्च प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. Chant the shlokas for the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. Jai Maa Lakshmi. See you in the next video. Hari Om.